Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the Ubiquiti UniFi Cloud Gateway Fiber model UCG-Fiber with a built-in 1 TB NVMe drive. Let's see what's inside and why this compact 10 gigabit desktop gateway is such a powerful all-in-one UniFi console. Inside the box you'll find the gateway unit itself, the 54-volt power adapter, and the pre-installed 1 TB NVMe SSD. That means this version comes ready for UniFi Protect right out of the box, no need to buy storage separately. The device is sleek and compact, measuring about 212 by 127 by 30 mm and weighing a little over 700 g with the drive installed. The chassis is polycarbonate, and it even includes a small LCD status screen on the front to display useful system information. On the back you'll see 110 Gb ERJ45 port and 110 GSFP Plus port for WAN. For LAN, there's another 10 GSFP Plus port plus 4 2.5 Gb ERJ45 ports, including one PoE Plus port that provides up to 30 W of power. Now, one of the highlights of this version is the included NVMe drive. To insert or replace it, remove the small tray from the bottom, slide the 1 TB NVMe SSD into the M.2 slot, secure it with the screw, and slide the tray back in. This storage is used for UniFi Protect recordings and makes the device a full NVR solution in addition to being a gateway. Inside, the UCG-Fiber runs on a quad-core 2.2 GHz ARM Cortex-A73 processor with 3 GB of RAM. It's capable of up to 5 gigabits per second routing throughput even with IDS/IPS enabled, so you get serious performance for both speed and security. It supports the full UniFi OS suite, Network, Protect, Access, Talk, and Connect, and can manage over 50 UniFi devices and more than 500 users. Protect support is excellent too, handling up to 15 HD, 8 2K, or 5 4K cameras directly on the built-in storage. Security and advanced networking features include a stateful firewall, layer 7 filtering, deep packet inspection, ad blocking, content filtering, and over 55,000 IDS/IPS signatures. It also supports VPN and SD-WAN out of the box, with WireGuard, OpenVPN, IPsec, Teleport Identity VPN, load balancing, OSPF routing, LT backup, advanced N80, and integrated radius. Power consumption is efficient, under 30 watts excluding PoE, and the power adapter is included in the box. Setup is straightforward, plug it in, connect your WAN and LAN, and you can begin managing everything through UniFi OS. It has all the power of a fully UniFi console in a desktop form factor.